How to make church website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because you need just to use your email address and create a suitable password. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. And now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need a church website, so I'm just gonna type church, and we can have such choices like church, church block, Pentecostal church, church school, United Methodist church, online church, Reformed church, Presbyterian church, Trinity church, and so on. So guys, you can find the option that seems best for your purposes here, but I'm gonna just choose simply church and click continue. The next step is that we need to create a name for website. So basically the name of church will be fine. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. And here we need to answer about our goals for this site. For example, if you wanted to sell products, choose this one, or if you wanna collect leads, choose this one. So guys, feel free to choose whatever you want here, whatever you need. I will skip this step. And also you can choose the apps you would like to add, give your site more functionality with Wix Business Solutions. So recommended for you for this site is bookings, let clients schedule appointments on your site, video to share, stream and sell your videos, and groups, create active communities for your site members. I think we need this one. And also you can discover more apps here. For example, events maybe will be fine for our website. And now we are all set. We can continue to dashboard. And now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 3 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. It's pretty simple, but basically you just need to connect a custom domain here. So just type domain that you want and click this button, let's go. Meanwhile, we will move straight to this point, design your website. The most important thing here. And now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website, pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. But I will choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. And here you can see most popular website templates. Also you can choose blank templates if you wanna to do site from scratch. So we need a church website, so I'm gonna type church here. And here is the results found for church. As you can see, all templates are really nice, but I really like this one. but you can do you can find the template that seems best for your purposes, for you, and for how you see your future website. I'm gonna choose this one. And now we are gonna to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option for creating website, in my opinion, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website for creating another website. I think this is the best about Wix.com. That's why I highly recommend you to try it. Now we need to wait until everything loads. And now everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our site. We have such pages as home, about us, leadership, sermons, events, music, visit, donations, terms and conditions, and so on. You can manage them by clicking this button. You can delete some pages here. For example, leadership. You can hide it from menu, or you can simply delete it like this. We have donations, terms and conditions, privacy policy, accessibility statement. You can see it's hide it from menu. We can show it, make it visible, or we can hide like this one, music. Very easy, you can see. And also we can add some pages. Also we can delete like whole group here, event pages, for example card and thank you, actions, you can delete them. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS, and also here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer. Also we have such sections as welcome, featured video, about, events. For example, you can easily delete this section. You just need to click this button. And for example, if you want to edit this specific section, you need to double click on it, or you can just click this one, quick edit, and here you can edit this section. You can move the text, you can change the text by double click on it, you can delete it, you can write anything you want here. You can change the style, fonts, font size. You can move this button. You can stretch this button. You can change text on this button. You can basically delete this button and add new one. Like this, you need to click this button at elements, find button, for example join us, and drag it, drop it. And here you can have settings of this button. You can link this button to everything you want, for link it to page on your website or for another website, or even to email or phone number here. And for example, header, you can see this card icon is very weird here. Basically we need to move it or simply delete it. So basically you need to change this name, New Faith Gospel Church, easily by clicking this button or double click on this text, like New Church like new, for example. And also you can change this vector art. Firstly, you need to delete this one, and at elements we need to find image here, and you can upload image from your computer, or you can import image from your social and Google accounts. You can even create AI image, easily create unique images for your site, and also you can use free Wix images or free Wix illustrations. And here you can add your logo, make your site look more professional with its own branding. So also here we can add text, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, contact forms, etc. Basically, let's image that this one is our church logo. We can easily attach it to column here and change the size. So also we can add section. For example, we wanted to have maybe, I don't know, like booking section. Choose a section here and drop it anywhere on the page. For example, this one, and here you have it. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. Basically, you need to know that the main tool to edit your template, edit your site, is double click to edit the main tool. So when you're done editing your website, you need to click this button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it, or you can just save it, for example, to edit this later. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.